This is lesson 155, Writing with Phonics. That means it's our writing page. So let's go to the first slide. And this is, remember to put your name on the top because we always need to write our name. This is the letter Q. Big Q, little q. And remember, Q is always followed by a U. So on this one, remember to start, this is a clock letter, start on the dot, okay, right here. And you go up and around, nice and round. And then you make a little kickstand to keep it from falling over. And the little Q is just like it's a clock letter, so it's just like a 9 or an A or a G. So you're going up and over to make the roundy part, go back up, and then straight down. Okay, I'm going to do that again over here. So I want you to kind of remember to go touch the top line, touch the bottom line, back up to where you started, put the kickstand down. Now, you remember how when the first of the year you'd make an A like that sometimes? You'd make it round and put a kickstand on it. But that wasn't a Q. That was trying to be an A. This one's a Q. So make sure that you lift your pencil when you get back up here, and then you make the kickstand separate. Okay, let's go to the lowercase one. So this is just like an A or a G. Go around, touch the bottom, back up to where you started, to the dotted line, and straight down. Okay, so now you have a Q, capital, and a lowercase. Now, let's go to the top, or to the second line. This is a capital M. So remember, two ways of doing it. This is just one of them. So you can go down, down. You can do all your lines down, but I want that first one to absolutely be down. So you can do it with like that if you would like. If you don't want to do that like that, let me back it up a little bit. Okay, if you wanted to do it like this, start at the dot, go down, and then you can go down. Oops, I'm a little bit off there. Back up, and then down again. Okay, so either way, I will accept that. O is a clock letter, so you have to go around, back to the start. M, don't make it go up. You have to make it go down first. Remember, down first, bounce up and over, okay? So, as we get down here to the end, I just want to go over the fact that you have a Q, my squiggly Q, and it's followed by what? A U. So make sure you remember that, Q, U, and make sure as you're writing these, you leave space in between each word. And at the very end, there's a doink, just a dot, not a great big wad of bubble gum. Let's go on to the, I'm going to clear this slide. You're going to be able to do that by yourself. I just wanted to go ahead and practice a little bit. We have, can the cat get the fish? Now, can it? That is a question, isn't it? So I'm going to start out by going over the C. So C starts with, this sentence starts with a C, so you need it to be a capital. And then all the rest are lowercase. Make sure the T's are taller than the dotted line. And the H's have to be full length. And the F here has to be hook and then down. And at the very end, you have to have this beautiful question mark, blink, just like that. I have something else to show you though, down here. First, let's do the A. because I like A's, and this says Ann, and I'm going to make a nice straight A. There we go. A, capital A, because not only is it a name, but it's the beginning of a sentence. So you're going to start with a capital on both of these. Let's go down here to the very end. We have something that we haven't talked a lot about. It looks like an upside down I. Let me go over that. It's a start on the top line, go down until you almost touch the bottom. Oops, don't touch the bottom. And then you go boink. It does look like an upside down I. Very tall one, but it's not. It's called an exclamation point. That means that whatever is said here is very exciting or very emotional or very scary. So I'm going to read this over again. Can the cat get the fish? Do you think he can? He could. Ann will grab the cat. Ann will grab the cat. Really exciting. And she's scared that the cat's going to get the fish. Oh, that'd be gross. So it's very exciting. It's very emotional. So that's what happens with an exclamation point. It means it's excited or afraid, or a lot of emotion goes into it. Okay? So sometimes it's like, wow! Wow would have an exclamation point because it's exciting. So all these things get an exclamation point. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that. So be very careful as you're writing. And remember to watch your lines, leave spaces in between, and don't put a meatball on the end. And don't put a stick with a meatball on it. Okay? So I will say goodbye for now. Bye.